All right, so today we're installing a Ditra Heat system, and one neat thing we're going to do with this system is we're going to run it all the way into the shower. All right, so I've gotten to the bench seat and I wanted to go over something. I got it 3-3 stud spacing, that's your standard spacing, but this is going to be solid surface. Up this wall is going to be solid surface, wrapping this bench is going to be solid surface. So I'm going to swap this up to 3-2 stud spacing to give a little more heat on the seats, just to get through that solid surface. Alright, so got it swapped over to 3-2 stud spacing, and it actually ended up coming back down the exact same spot that it was with 3-3 stud spacing. So I don't think we used much more wire to do that, and I think that the amount of extra heat is going to make a big difference. All right, so I just finished up the shower area and I wanted to go over a few points. When you're running up these benches and these corners here, be sure to leave enough slack that it's not straight off, because when we band all this, we're going to need to get a nice tight band in there, and we don't want this line being in the way. So just be sure you leave yourself a little slack right there to be able to press it in and not have to take out a bunch of wire and redo it. All right, so we're back filling in the Ditra Heat, and I wanted to show you how the waterproofing works for the shower area. We covered all of the Ditra Heat membrane with the cables under it with the Curdy membrane, and basically wrapped this thing exactly like it would be if it was done like as a mud bed or a float. If the shower pan and the bench was all floated, we would wrap it in the membrane and put our corners in, our outside corners where they need to be. So basically you treat this just like you would if it was a mud bed. You cover all the cables, wrap everything, band everything, put your corners in. We overlapped it into the drain area, so the membrane runs underneath this all the way up to the channel body edge, and then we just wrap that membrane that's attached to the channel body over the top of that.